Hi, Brian Bachman of MarineMax Clearwater here today with a video walkthrough on the 2021 Sea Ray 19 SPX Outboard. This particular boat is finished in the Quantum Blue hull side color. See, we do have sea deck installed on the swim platform and pass-through. Is powered by 150 Mercury 4-stroke outboard for smooth and reliable power. On the back we have a water sports tow post. And moving into the cockpit, you'll see additional sea deck. We have an angled entry that really makes entering the cockpit very easy and doesn't impact the seating. Across the back we have plenty of seating for 3. Integrated cooler under the largest seat. Port side we do have the convertible lounger. So this configuration, it's a forward facing seat, but you can simply lift up the cushion, put in the other cushion forward, and we'll take a look at the boat next to us where that is in place. You have a nice forward or rear facing lounger. Moving over to the helm, see a full array of analog gauges. We do have the captain's chair with flip-up bolster, very nice for a higher seating position while docking. Of course, fusion stereo and speakers, Bluetooth, Mercury controls. We do have a depth gauge on the lower right. Back over to the port side, we do have a nice glove box, additional storage under the port side helm. And moving forward, we'll see how much space Sea Ray has incorporated into the bow of this boat. Plenty of room to sit forward, stretch out your legs. Nice wraparound bolsters facing forward or aft, as you'll see. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, feel free to give me a call. This is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 727-536-2628. So give us a call. Come on out and see this boat or any of our available in-stock inventory in our indoor showroom. Hope to see you soon. Have a great day.